welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. I've been dying to share all this information with you guys. We are talking about true skin health, true anti-aging today with the latest and the greatest science and technology. So recently I brought on a brand new brand to Skin Truth, a brand new skincare brand. You guys know I'm always searching for the latest and the greatest in science and technology and just, products that bring you true skin health and anti-aging. And let me tell you, I found it. This product line is insanely amazing. The highest quality ingredients, the newest science, the newest technology, and you will get serious results. This is like anti-aging at its core, like where you need to start with anti-aging. So I'm gonna share all of the brand information with you, all of the science and technology behind this brand. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that big red subscribe button below. We are all about getting the best, the healthiest skin of our lives, no matter what age you are. Right now, I am 42 years old right now, and I literally have the best skin of my life. I've went through so many past skin conditions, all of that, and I truly have the best skin of my life at 42 years old. So if I can do it, you can do it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And then also head on over to my Instagram, follow me over there for more skincare tips and product information and skincare routines and just tips and tricks and daily skincare life over on my Instagram. So let's dive into this video though, you guys. I cannot wait to share all of this with you. This is true anti-aging, like at its core. So let's dive into it. All right, so like I was telling you guys, like if you're familiar with my channel, I am always researching. I'm always researching ingredients and new technology and science that's out there in the skincare world. And honestly, there's not a whole lot new out there in terms of ingredients that your skin needs. But this line fell into my lap. I started researching it and randomly ended up, talking to the company and themselves and just learning so much more about this brand. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. The facts, the science, the technology, everything surrounding this brand just really hit home with me. And I only share products with you that truly will make a difference with your skin. Well, this brand takes it to a whole new level. This is a DNA repair brand. The brand we're talking about today is called Photozyme. And this brand will truly change your skin at the DNA level, which is the core of your skin health, the core of anti-aging. So Photozyme is a medical grade skincare brand. It is only found in dermatologist's office, cosmetic surgeon's office, and top doctors. So DNA repair is key to skin health and anti-aging. So the breakdown of our DNA daily is what causes aging to the skin. DNA damage causes pigmentation, it causes lines and wrinkles, and it causes aging skin. So every single day, our skin is being hit by pollution and the sun and just, UVA, UVB rays. And every single day, our skin is under attack and we are getting DNA damage daily. Every DNA strand that you have is getting hit by over 10,000 different wounds daily. Your skin cannot repair that. As you get older, your skin is not going to be able to repair all that DNA damage, and that's what leads to aging skin. We are getting hit by so much damage, and the true damage to our skin, the true aging starts with the DNA. So what Photozyme has done, they have 3 enzymes in their products that are true DNA repair enzymes. There's nothing like this on the market, you guys. There might be other products out there that say DNA repair or this and that, but they don't have this science and this technology. The 3 enzymes in this brand are clinically studied, so much trials behind them, so much science behind them that it is proven to repair the DNA damage within your skin. 80% of damaged aging skin is caused by the sun. And there's only certain levels of protection that you can take. You can wear your sunscreen. That's gonna give you a good layer base of protection. You can also use antioxidants. That's gonna give you another level of protection with the free radicals and all of that. But DNA, like true DNA repair, is where it starts. You are gonna protect your skin from the start when you use these products. You will not only be repairing past damage, but you are stopping damage from occurring daily. So the enzymes in Photozyme products actually mimic your body's natural response to photo damage. Those enzymes are encapsulated in a liposomal delivery system, which is the best delivery system. That is the delivery system that your skin recognizes and pulls through. It's the best delivery system for any skincare. If a skincare product product, a skincare brand, uses the liposomal delivery system, that is key because that delivery system is the best for drawing in those ingredients directly to your skin cell while keeping everything active along the way. It's a delivery system that keeps everything active, which is key. So then once those enzymes are brought directly into the skin cell, they actually adhere only to the damaged DNA strands. And then they go to work and they repair that DNA strand. DNA repair is the true core and the start to creating healthier, younger skin. So because your DNA is getting attacked every single day by so much damage and it's breaking down daily, these products are on a constant repair cycle. So you're gonna notice so much changes within your skin. Now this starts at like a very deep level and then it's gonna work its way up. But you will notice that sunspots and sun damage definitely fade away. It has been proven that in 12 weeks of using these products, a person can see a 70% reduction in those sunspots on their skin. Have you ever done one of those like photo images that looks at all the sun damage under your skin and all the damage? This repairs that damage. So they have taken, people who have, 217 spots on their, underneath their skin surface, like UV sun damage spots, which all that damage under your skin, if you've ever done one of those photographs before, all of that damage that you see is damage that's going to come to the surface, whether it be sun damage or the breakdown of like little lines and wrinkles coming out, like all of that. So they have done studies in the clinical trials of this line. And I have one of the studies right here in front of me. In 12 weeks, a person went from 217 UV spots on their skin and it went down to 60 UV spots in 12 weeks. That is huge. That is just showing the repair and what DNA repair can really do from the inside out of your skin. I like to call Photozyme products the morning after skincare because you get damage today and then you repair it tomorrow. These products have truly amazing ingredients and a technology like nothing else. So the 3 enzymes that they use to really repair that DNA, they all 3 of them do like little, differences in your DNA and the repair, but one of them will instantly neutralize and repair the DNA. So your skin's being hit by, damage and it instantly repairs. And then another one takes a little bit longer to repair. I think it was like only still 24 hours to repair. And it goes to work and just does a little bit of something different in your skin, but then it's like a 24-hour, time difference to repair that DNA. So you're getting instant like neutralization, but then you're also getting that 24-hour repair. So the products go to work very, very quickly. And with consistent use of them, you're gonna be constantly repairing that DNA damage because again, you're getting DNA damage every single day. There's nothing you can do about it, but with daily use, you are constantly in that repair mode. So huge science, huge technology behind this brand. So I want to share the products with you guys and just a little info on each product. Let's start with this one right here. This is kind of like the heart of the brand. This is the Photozyme MD DNA Youth Recovery Serum. So this serum has the 3 enzymes at, again, potent levels that are going to really, really make such an effect to your skin. This is, your 3 enzymes. It is loaded with antioxidants, and this is going to really give you those amazing, amazing DNA repair results. This is a day and night serum. This is going to go on your skin first, even before growth factors. You want to apply this directly to, freshly cleansed and toned skin. This is going to be your first step. And this is going to give you true DNA repair. All right, then we have the Photozyme MD, the GFS Plus Night Serum. This is a 0.5% retinol. This is the most state-of-the-art retinoid. The science and technology behind this is just genius. So again, this is a 0.5% retinol, but then that does have the 3 enzymes in there to still again be repairing that DNA damage, throughout the entire night. This is also loaded with growth factors, vitamin C, firming peptides, skin barrier repair technology, all in a liposomal delivery system that this just makes this like one of the top, like most advanced retinoids that you will find on the market right now. This is true science. So this is just an amazing, amazing product that literally incorporates so many amazing ingredients that we need and just brings your skin to just, again, that true anti-aging from the DNA with the enzymes. Oh, like so good. All right, then we have their cleanser. This is a probiotic gentle cleanser. It is just a great everyday cleanser loaded with probiotics and, again, skin barrier kind of like hydrating ingredients that your skin is just going to drink up. Your skin feels so just plump and hydrated. And again, it's good for all skin types, whether you're super sensitive to, super dry or super oily. Anyone can use this and you just get a good cleanse. All right, this product is amazing, you guys. This is the Photozyme MD, the ultra rich DNA facial cream. This is so good. So you can use this at night, you can use it during the day, whichever you want for your skin. If you have more dry skin, you can use it during the day. I have more oily skin, I've been using it at night, but this is loaded with, again, skin barrier repair technology, as well as the 3 enzymes, and your skin just drinks it up. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It has everything your skin needs to repair and keep a healthy skin barrier, along with getting that DNA repair. All right, this is one that you guys are gonna absolutely love as well. I mean, all of these they're just so good. This is the Eye Quad, the Total Eye Therapy. Again, the 3 enzymes to repair the DNA damage, which is so good for around the eyes. Our eyes are more susceptible to early aging. The breakdown of collagen, the breakdown of elastin, everything, is hitting this area. And the area is so much more delicate than any other part of our face that you really want to be working on that DNA repair around your eyes. So this does have the 3 enzymes. It also has firming peptides. It's loaded with antioxidants. You will notice that darkness, will brighten up under your eyes. It's going to firm and tighten the skin around your eyes, and you will notice a difference. The hydration is amazing with this. Like, it's such a good eye cream, and the ingredients, and again, delivery system, the formula is top notch. All right, let's talk about this guy right here as well. This is the Photozyme MD, the vitamin C and E ferulic acid serum with DNA repair. So this is your 15% L-ascorbic acid. It also has your vitamin E, and it also has your ferulic acid, as well as the 3 DNA repairing enzymes. This is such an amazing antioxidant. This vitamin C feels so good on your skin. It leaves your skin glowing. It absorbs so nicely into your skin. And again, you're getting all the antioxidant protection that you need daily with your vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, your vitamin E, your ferulic acid. But then at the same time, you're repairing the DNA damage. So you are just hitting everything, every type of protection, every type of repair in one here. So I love that for your antioxidant. And then they have a body product as well, the Photozyme MD Omega 36 DNA Body Complex. So beneficial, because how many of us start to notice like sun damage on our arms, just the little sunspots start to pop up on our chest, our arms, and you can apply this as a body cream. It's loaded with antioxidants, but then it also has the 3 DNA repairing enzymes. So you can really help to even out the skin tone and protect your body daily. So what I would do is I would use this as my body cream during the day, put an SPF body cream on top of that, and that is such good protection. All right, so that is it. I think I covered everything about this new brand. This is Photozyme MD. I am in love with it. The technology, the science, there's nothing out there like this. True DNA repair is where skin health and anti-aging starts. It's like the fundamental, stepping stone, the fundamental building block of skin health. I get so excited when it comes to new advances in skincare and new technology and science, and this is true science, you guys. So I'm super excited to bring this brand to you all. I can't wait for you to try it. So good, so effective, and so needed with our skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link this brand down below for you guys. It's in the description box. It is on skintruth.com now. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.